What's up, guys? My name is Jordan, and I'm a 26-year-old web developer based in SA, right? South Africa, for those that don't know where SA is. So, I have been working in the web development space for many years now, a couple years. It feels like not a long time ago, but I'm like, it's been a long time, you know? And I'm not an expert yet, but I'm definitely not a beginner. I'm also on my own journey, but I've worked with projects as small as Visual Studio, Visual Basic projects, to Java projects, to Python projects, and big projects and websites for many companies out there. So one thing I'm realizing is when I started studying, AI wasn't that big of a deal, right? All these technologies that are now here, right? And there's new technologies every single week, it feels. All these technologies weren't spoken about. They weren't spoken about at all. And we as upcoming web developers, programmers, technicians, didn't have that much fear for our jobs and etc., 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 things that are happening now, right? And I've now noticed that the people that are coming into the space, they have a lot of fear. They have a lot of fear, and they had love for it when they first came in. You know, whether it's they loved CAT when they were studying in high school and they realized that I want to do this thing for the rest of my life, or they had a mentor that taught them programming at a young age and they come in and they're like, I know this stuff, let me play, this is my game, let's do it, you know. And then they get into the space and wow, AI is doing this today and doing that tomorrow. And then the distance that they feel like they have to run to catch up not only to people who have been in the game for years, but now to catch up to AI is insane. And I've just noticed that a lot of the people coming into the space have decided to give up. Some people are completely unsure in which tech space actually has space for us, you know? Like what technical space actually has space for the average guy now, right? Your average person, your average girl going into the space, right? Right? So I personally am somebody that has never quit. I've been in the game for a while now, and I'm still going. I still have a learning journey to take. I'm still running on this treadmill that is forever spinning, right? And that's the truth, right? It's a forever spinning treadmill. We're forever going to learn, and that's something you signed up for if you went into the programming, development, tech space in general, right? Things are constantly changing. Things are constantly updating, right? So there's even a saying in the tech space that you don't retire, you just get outdated, right? So you have to be ready for that. And I'm here to motivate you, to tell you that, guys, you have nothing to worry about. We have nothing to worry about. I'm on a journey. I'm going to be sharing my lessons, everything that I've learned on my journey, everything I'm still learning on my journey. I'm going to be sharing all of that stuff with you. And I'm here to just motivate you. This channel is just to motivate you, to pump you up, to hype you up, to tell you that there is still space for you here. Okay? So let's go for it. Subscribe and join me. Cool, guys. Peace.